Om Swastiastu. My name is Iputu Janota Putra, and today I'm gonna presentation about metallurgy, cast iron, and I'm a student from Universitas Dayana, and the presentation I giving to you guys is metallurgy. The material is metallurgy, and the professor is teaching me is the Dr. Soekarno Gede Tirta Nidya STMT. We're gonna next to the metric, and the main reference I use is metallurgy for the non-metallurgists, the second edition. Next, the context of chapter 10. It says basically is seven contents. This first is basic metallurgy of iron cast. Second is classification of iron cast iron, gray cast iron, ductile iron, malleable iron, compacted graphite iron, special cast iron. The next, first is 10.1 basic metallurgy of cast iron. Cast iron are heterogeneous multi-component various alloys that solidify with authentic. For the example, when iron with 2.5% Celsius is cooled below the liquidus line. Make a picture 10.1. This is picture 10.1. Prism begin with the formation of oxide trinites called pure-tectic austenite. There's then tritides grow and new dendrites form as the temperature drop through the freezing range, and the carbon contents of the remaining liquid also increase as the newest format austenite grains inject excess carbon. When the increasing carbon contents as and desiccation temperature reach authentic value, authentic solidification occurs at the authentic temperature. Like a picture 10.1 of 1144 derajat Celsius for graphite dust line, or 1148 derajat Celsius for Carmenta solid line. The next, white gray cast iron. The iron solidifying with the authentic authentic has a gray fracture surface approach, while the one solidification with the austenite FETG authentic habit a white fracture surface. Sometimes a mixed texture of gray plus white thermal metal may occur. The two basic types of authentic, the stable authentic graphite or the mustable austenite iron carbide FE3C exhibit wide difference in their mechanical properties, such as strength, hardness, toughness, and durability. Historical, the two basic types of iron cast were inherently classified based upon their fracture surface approach. First is white iron with a white crystalline fracture surface, like a picture 10.2. This is 10.2. Because appearance occurs along the barrier iron carbonate plate of the metastable Fe3C authentic. Gray iron with a gray fracture surface because fracture occurred along the graphite plate flanks of the authentic solidification with graphite. Next, the metallurgical processing of casting iron is designed to manipulate the type, amount, and apology of the authentic in order to achieve the desired mechanical properties. A summary of their cast iron type as well as the processing requirement to about time them is given in the picture 10.3. This is picture 10.3. The shape of the graphite also can be modified during the solidification of the gray irons, or graphite metalworking can be developed by heat treatment decomposition of the chemical in the wet iron. Next, the formation of the stable graphite of my stable Fe3C authentic is the vacation of function of the many factors including the nucleation potential of the liquid, chemical composition, and cooling rate. In the time of the combustion, the tendency to form the white iron is changed by the editing of combined formats such as chromium to the melt, while the formation of the grape is announced by the editing of graphite such as silicon or copper. Look at the picture 10.4. Picture. High carbon and silicon are the primary allows the increased graphite potential of the iron as well as it is capability. The next, other alloying element. Other element is the appointment that are normally present have a such smaller effect and then authentic carbon value, but they are produced the other effect other minor elements such as aluminium, antimonium, arsenic, bismuth, lead, magnesium, cadmium, and calcium can significantly alter both of the graphite morphology and the structure of the matrix. Tracker element also can significant affect casting, structure, and liquid, and there are some summarized in the table 10.2. Table 10.2. As you can see, this element and threat level, and this is the effect. You can pause if you wanna read this, but we do not have so much time. We're gonna next. Matrix microstructure add addition to the carbon-rich space, cast iron, gray modular component, and the marble have a matrix steel structure that may consisting of the variant perlite, carbonite, martensite, and austenite. In gray iron, the SKS matrix is prominently perlite, like at the picture 10.5, this is 10.5, that consists of alternate layer of the granite and iron carbonate. FAGG or camelite is very strong and tough. The hardness, strength, mechanability, and wear resistance and of like matrix vary with fineness of its limitation. The carbon content of granite is variable and depend on the composition of the iron and its cooling rate. The next, Fermat can also occur in cast gray iron, ranging from a ferritic matrix to ferritic matrix with some ferritite, like at figure 10.6. Slow cooling rate as well as a higher silicon content usually produce ferment in irons. In ferritic cast iron, the region is a ferritic always occurred within the authentic cell and in the neighborhood of graphite precipitates due to microregeneration. Take a picture 10.6b. 10.6b. Well, a very fast cooling rate components free germinates from the composition of the either the prototype of authentic austenite. Francis microstructure also can be abandoned by aligning and the Vatican cast iron or in the thick well casting. Next, in as casting white, iron is a casting material typical metric light that occurred from the transformation of underneath during solid state cooling after solidification, like picture 10.7 picture. Next, the speaker structure also can be modified by heat treatment. For example, treated wet iron are class of the abrasion resistant cast iron with a mixture structure of the chemical caminite and martensen, like a picture 10.8 is 10.8 picture. Martensen stick structure are produced by allowing heat treating or combining of the respective cells. Latex structure are the hardest, most well-resistant structure obtainable in the cast iron. Molybdenum, nickel, manganese, and chromium can be used in the produce methane stick and the magnetic structure. The next 10.2 Classification of the cast iron. The historical classification of gray and white cast iron based on the fracture appearance still applies today. Cast iron are also classified as either common, special, or special cast iron. Common cast iron are for general purpose application and are unalloyed or low alloy composition. Special cast iron, as the name as implies, are for the special purpose application. Special cast iron differ from the common irons mainly in their higher contents of the alloy elements is more than 3%, which promotes structure having special properties for the elevated temperature application. Corrosion resistance and or wear resistant. A general classification of the cast iron by name and metallurgy structure is provided in the figure 10.9. 10.9. Next. From the common cast iron, there's the range of alloying with the carbon and silicon varies by the type of iron, like the figure 10.10. This is 10.10. As compared with steel, it's apparent that iron have carbon in excess of the maximum solubility of carbon in austenite, which is shown by the lower dashed line. Then upper dashed line is the carbon equivalent for the authentic composition. Picture on the next. 10.3 Gray cast iron. Gray cast iron is the most common from the cast iron and is characterized by the microstructure with flake lamellar graphite abundant in the steel matrix. Migrate iron are hypoauthentic and their solidification behavior can be illustrated with the help of the simple ternary authentic diagram taken at 2% in the showing in the figure 10.11. This 10.11 picture. At the temperature of above 0.1, the iron is entirely melted. As the temperature falls and the liquid line is crossed, primarily freezing begins and with the formation of prototypic austenite dentonites. There is detritus growing and the new detritus from the temperature drop to the primary freezing range between 0.1 and 0.2. Next, the authentic gray iron graphite from the prototypic phase. In this case, graphite from is the liquid iron independently of the austenite and growing unchambered by other solid phase. Therefore, its appearance as the same plate with the some branching that grow in size according to the solidification cooling rate. that is graphite layers are trapped in the structure as solidification progress, either as the characteristic long straight flake, like a picture 10.12H. This is picture 10.12 H and B, or in the rapid coolness section as a limpid flake is starts like distribution like a picture 10.12 B. 10.12 B, when its temperature has been lowered significantly at the remaining liquid solidifies as the authentic structure of the austenite and graphite. Generally, authentic graphite is no finer than productive graphite. Next, type A graphite is generally considered to be the preferred graphite type that gray iron. In general, it is a certain with the most describable mechanical properties and the is characteristic of the gray cast iron. Exhibiting good mechanability are type A grape is uniformly distributed by a random orientator like the figure 10.13. 10.13 is the cooling rate is the iron is slow, then the flake trend to be longer. Next, property of the gray iron cast. Gray iron casts have relatively low strength and the hardness properties. Table 10.4. This is table 10.4. Tensile strength of the gray range from the approximately 150 to 40 30 430 mph or 22 to 63 ksi. Gray cast iron are also greatly due the inherent notch effect of the flake graphite. Gray cast iron are usually in the white variant of typical application, including automotive cylinder block, cylinder head, and the brake dumps, inward mold, mechanical housing pipe, pipe fitting, manifold, express compressor, and pump. Specifically typical classified gray iron according to their tension strength, like a table 10.4 is 10.4 table. Next, 10.4 ductile iron. Ductile iron as nobly iron of the separated grade when iron is very similar to gray iron is in composition, but during the solidification the graphite nucleates as the separated particle in the ductile iron. Redundant as the flakes, the chief advantage of the difference iron over gray iron is it a combination of the relatively high of tension strength and the quality up to 18% application for the average strength iron with the tension strength at 450 mph or 60 ksi as apprentice to only 0.6% elongation for the gray iron of the component strength. After the magnesium has been added, the melt is usually in non-sculpted used before of the during casting with a silicon containing alloys in conjunction with the silicon prominence of the information of well-shaped definite nodulus silicon also increases of the number of definite nodulus and the reduce the combinate and the pearlite content. The silicon content of resin and the iron is keeping low enough to so that the silicon from the magnesium alloy and the form of the inclusion just and finally silicon content is disarranged. Alloy used from the understanding including phosphorus silicon contains either 75 or 80%, 85% Si. A conclusion bearing fulvic silicon with 85% Si or various combination of the silicon alloy that Discover range of the carbon and silicon in the ductile iron like a picture 10.14. This is 10.14 picture. The next. Heat treatment and mechanical properties in the ductile iron. My ductile iron products are used in the as cast condition, but then the abundant 50% of the product are heat treating before being shipped. Analyzing in the mandatory for some grade of ductile iron and the several type of analyzing can be employed to reduce the hardness of iron. Picture like 10.50. This 10.50 picture percent of chemical representation of the three type of annoying high, medium, and low or critical for iron casting and conversion them to the start refilling and normalization. Next, like recurse iron, the asgasmatic microstructure of the clay iron usually constant of granite and lead or combination of both, depending on cast section size and or alloy composition. Heat treatment varies according to the desired effect on properties. For example, an excess perlite microstructure picture 10.16a can be unlaid at product mix of fractured matrix with low hardness. This is picture 10.60a and b. Next. Conversely, heat treatment also can influence martensite formation, and like a picture 10.17 for hardening. So 10.17 picture A and B. Next, good quality ductile iron produced to meet requirement of the specified grade normally cover a range as shown in the picture 10.18. So 10.18. The tensile properties and the Brinell hardness of the dust-like iron are limited because of the nominal and the constant influence of the submetal graphite. However, the relationship between the tensile properties and hardness depend on the alloys used and the microstructure abundant. Next. In the Frederick iron, hardness and the stack are dependent on solid solution hardening of the furnace by the element dissolved in it, with silicon being the most important and common. Nickel is also a common furnace strength thickness. The lamellar combined layer are the typical hardening consonant in the Frederick irons. A somewhat higher strength to hardness relationship occur in the uniform matrix temperature martensite like picture 10.19. Picture 10.19 A and B. Next. Out-temperated declared iron ATHE. Out-temperated declared iron representation of a range of cast iron whose properties depend on the heat treatment called austemperering. Austempered declared iron have a matrix with a much higher difficulty for the same stack than conventionally heat-treated declared iron. Like a picture 10.20. 10.20. Okay, next. The out-tempering process in the special heat treatment cycles that involve auto-igniting followed by the applying to the isothermal treatment above the martensite start temperature like a picture 10.21. This picture 10.21. The next. Cooling the part to room temperature are a sample of ADHA microstructure in the percentage in the picture 10.22. This picture 10.22. But the oxytemperating process also applies to gray and malleable iron. The higher silicon gray and ductile iron, the The resultant contractor is a Fraternight. In the low silicon marble iron, the structure is either mixture of the auschwitz and the benite or just benite. High estimating temperature result of causing structure that have good liquidity and dynamic properties. Lower surface temperature produce are final structure that higher safety in the yellow state and the superior were restricted. Next. The shape development in the cast iron has been affected structure, toughness, and the flattening resulting because the graphite can be act as the tenor of node, not as or strength result in the iron. In gray iron, flaket graphite increases that combination and the low toughness and characteristic relative to the iron that have more separation or compact graphite temp or graphite form. In the contact, the nodular graphite in the tight iron has smaller effect on the congenital stress of aramid stress, which does improve relative toughness and figure state at the given textile state. However, gray iron are also less not sensitive than declared irons because the flake graph in effect is in effect that not in gray iron. Gray iron also does not have exhibit a sharp drop in the toughness and low temperature like the not iron. Picture 10.33. 10.33. Next, the factor strength that stress as the cast section says is ascribed as shown in the picture 10.24. This is 10.24. For above factoring and the prolific iron noted and the unnoted head as the size of the component subject to reservoir binding figure is curved. There is a description of operating stress and the opponent 50 mm 2 inch in diameter. Next, their endurance ratio dependent of the figured endurance limit divided by the tensile strength of ductile iron declines as the tensile strength increase. Like a picture 10.25, 10.25. So there's many be little value in the specific or higher strength ductile iron that prone to structure failure, and redesigning the structure to reduce stress may prove to be better solution. The increasing limit for the giving hardest grade of the iron depends strong on the surface toughness and condition. Next, 10.5 malleable iron. The history of the malleable iron goes back to Europe. The French scientists and metallurgist RHF the Euromur published the first technical decision of the malleable iron casting, like 1722 to 2722 in America. Malleable iron was introduced by a Sal Bonden. Now, who know the ore of the white hot malleable iron of Europe, and foresaw potential market such as material. There is a two type of nested malleable iron: black block, black hot, and the white hot. That black hot type are produced of the United States. Complementary malleable iron is black hot malleable iron that is produced by Kupala melting and is used to pipe fitting and similar thin section casting because it is low strength and difficulty. Kupala malleable iron is usually not specified to structure for application. Application of athletic and pelvic malleable iron, including my assembling automotive parts such as different cores, differential case, bearing caps, steering gear housing, spring hangers, universal joint yokes, automatic suspension part, broken arm, disc brake caliper, wheel hubs, and many other parts. Pneumatic and acrylic malleable iron are also used in the around railroad industry and in agricultural equipment, chain link, ordnance material, electrical pole line hardware, hand tool, and other parts. Other applications are probably pipe fitting and car part or for railroad, marine, and other heavy-duty service to 345 derajat Celsius or 650 derajat Fahrenheit. The next, malleably iron casting graphite notably that are not truly spherical as they are in ductile iron because they are informed as the result of heat treatment. Separator determine the structure of the matrix figure 10 point like a picture 10.66 this 10.66 so the inclusion context of the temporal carbon from the combined composition and the fractional matrix because the cooling rate from the metabolizing temperature was very slow. Next, 10.6 combined graphite iron. Combined graphite iron are the newest member of the cast iron family, development as the third category. Compacted vermicular graphite iron have the unadvantagely been produced in the part of the result of influential magnesium or chromium level in the melt instead of to produce thermodynamical graph incurred iron. The shape of a compacted graphite in the rather complex and acceptable compacted graphite iron is in the one in which there is no flake graphite in the structure and from which amount the separational graphite is less than 20%, that is 80% of all graphite composition vermicular. Graph 10.6, 10.13, and 10.14. In addition, the interconnected graphite provide better thermal condition and the damping capacity that resisted iron. The application of the compact graphite iron stems from the intermediate position between gray and the ducted iron. Compared to flake graphite iron, compact graphite iron have the contrast. First is higher tensile strength and the same carbon equivalent, which is reduced among the expensive alloying elements such as nickel, chromium, copper, and the molybdenum. Much higher ductility and toughness, which result in high safety margin against a fracture, lower acceleration, and the growth of the temperature. Less location sensitivity for the heavy selection compared to the ductile iron. The differences of compact graphite iron. Lower compression rate of the thermal compression, high thermal conductivity, better resistance of the thermal shock, higher damping capability, better capacity rating or higher constitutional and the capacity for the bonding more intensive casting, improved mechanical. Example, as the bed plate for the last diesel engine package, gearbox housing, turbocharger housing, connecting fork, bearing bracket, pulleys for the truck, servo drive, track wheels, and the architecting gear. Next, 10.7 Special cast iron. Special cast iron are typically high alloy irons, which can be classified as the either white and electric iron. Take a picture 10.27. In gray and ductile iron, small amount of the alloying elements such as chromium, molybdenum, or nickel are usually primarily to achieve high strength or announce the attainment of the special minimum strength in the heavy section. So the next, alloying elements are used almost exclusively to the achieve resins to observe wear or chemical corrosion or the extend surface life. Elevated temperature. Table 7.7 lists a broad range of the alloy contains various types of the alloy cast irons. Table 10.7. As you can see, description of the composition. Next, high alloy graphite iron have the found special use primarily as qualification equipment, corrosion resistance, or restricts and the oxidation resistance in the high temperature surface. They are commonly produced in the both graphite and noble graphite version. Two groups of the aluminum alloy iron are recognized at 1 to 7% AI iron and the 18 to 25% AI iron, either the 4 to 6% Si irons. Note the aluminum alloy iron are covered by ASTM international standards. Although the oxidation resistance of the aluminum alloy iron is exceptional. Problem in the melting and the casting the alloy are constantly cable and commonly product version of the aluminum alloy iron is the uncommon. In the general, the metal processing in the high color graphite alloy follows that the conventional gray and the cloud iron products. And thank you. That's all I giving to you guys, and see you the next material. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.